Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this red lip and faux freckled look. If you want to see how I did this look, then keep watching. So I start off by doing my eyebrows with my Benefit Precision eyebrow pencil. I'm going to just spoolie out my eyebrows. And then I begin to fill in the tip of my eyebrow and slowly working my way to the center and to the front of my eyebrows. Once I've gotten to the front, then I spoolie out my eyebrows to kind of blend it out, make it look more natural, and then darken the tip, and then just fill in spaces that are empty. And with my damp beauty blender and my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Caramel, I just untwist it and start applying that to my face. And I usually just apply it in lines and on my chin. Then I grab my damp beauty blender and I start blending in my foundation. And after I'm done with that, I grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit and with the two darker shades and my Kylie Jenner Birthday Collection contour brush. And I just apply those two colors to the hollows of my cheek. And then I do my jawline. Make sure you blend that in with your neck. And my forehead. And I just blend it all around. And then I do around my lips because I do like that area to be darker. And then I go with my Tape Shape Concealer and I just apply that underneath both of my eyes. And with my damp beauty blender, again, I just start blending it out. I usually just pat out my concealer instead of like smearing it. Yeah, I found that to be a lot more useful. And then the bridge of my nose, my chin, and underneath my contour, and my forehead. And I just blend that out again with the damp beauty blender. And then I get my bronzer in the color Sun Power by MAC in this little Real Techniques brush. And I just apply that over my contour to give it more of a bronzier look. And I apply it to my forehead. And down the sides of my nose. And I use a contour brush sometimes just to make it a more defined line. And then I go back up on my forehead, my hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, my chin. And then I get my Kat Von D translucent powder and a Real Techniques angled beauty blender. And I just apply the translucent powder under my eyes. Down the bridge of my nose, underneath my contour on my cheeks, my chin, and the center of my forehead. Then after that, I get my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. And then I get the color Silk Cream, and I apply that all over my eyelids as my base color. And then I get the color Buns, and I apply that to the outer corners of my eyelid. And just blend that in circular motions. And once I'm done with that, I use my Eco Tools fine brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer to clean up under my eyebrows. And I just dab the concealer in there and just run it underneath my eyebrows to help clean it up and shape it better. After I finish concealing my eyebrows, then I just brush off all the translucent powder that is still on my face. Move on to do my eyelashes. These are just eyelashes from Walmart. I use glue from the hair store for my eyelashes. I just apply the glue to the eyelash and then apply my eyelashes. And then once I've applied both eyelashes, then I move on to my highlighter. And my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. And I just get my fan brush from Sephora, dab it in there, wipe it on a little bit, you know, nothing new. And do the other side. And then with my De-Slick setting spray, I spray that all over my face. I apply my Champagne Pop over it again while it's still wet and down the bridge of my nose. And then with my Sephora white eyeliner, I apply that to my waterline. And then with my Real Techniques brush, I get my Champagne Pop and I just apply that underneath my eyebrows, on my brow bone, and the inner corners of my eyelids. Once I'm done with that, I grab my Eco Tools fine brush again and my Jaclyn Hill palette, and in the color Buns again, I get my fine brush and I just dab that in the color, and then I start dabbing that all over my face in little spots one at a time, creating what appears to look like freckles. And I just do it down my nose. And then I like smear it in a little bit, you know, like fade it out a little bit so it doesn't look too dark. Looks more natural and realistic. And then I do the other side. And once I'm done with that, then I spray my face with my De-Sick by Urban Decay and let that dry. And then I do mascara on my top lashes. And then I get my NARS lipstick in the shade Star Woman, and I just start applying that to my lips. I usually start in the center and then I go around the edges of my lips and then like the corners. And then I do the top, same thing, and lightly go around the edges, make sure not to mess up. And then I do a second layer over my lips again. And that's it, guys. That is how I got this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Lately this has been my favorite look to do, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.